Are you struggling to conceive after having a myomectomy? Do you want to know how to get pregnant fast and naturally? If yes, then this video is for you. We will be sharing some useful tips and tricks that can help you conceive quickly after a myomectomy. So let's get started. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. A myomectomy is a surgical procedure to remove uterine fibroid. Women who have undergone myomectomy may face difficulty in getting pregnant due to the scarring or other complication from the surgery. However, with the right guidance and approach, it is possible to get pregnant fast after myomectomy. Here are 3 frequently asked questions related to getting pregnant after myomectomy. How long after myomectomy can I try to conceive? You should wait at least 3 to 6 months after myomectomy before trying to conceive. This will allow your uterus to heal properly and reduce the risk of complication. Can I get pregnant naturally after myomectomy? Yes, you can get pregnant naturally after myomectomy. However, you may need to take some additional steps to increase your chances of conceiving, such as tracking ovulation and having regular intercourses. Are there any risks involved in getting pregnant after myomectomy? While getting pregnant after myomectomy is generally safe, there is a slightly higher risk of complication such as preterm labor, placental abruption, and C-section. Therefore, it's important to consult with your doctor before trying to conceive. If you are trying to get pregnant after myomectomy, here are some tips and tricks that can help. Track your ovulation. Ovulation is the best time to conceive, so it is important to track your ovulation cycle. You can use an ovulation predictor kit or a fertility app to help you identify your fertile days. Have irregular intercourse. Having regular intercourse during your fertile days can increase your chances of conceiving. Aim to have sex every other day during your fertile window. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or underweight can affect your fertility. Maintain a healthy weight by following a balanced diet and exercising regularly. Take prenatal vitamin. Prenatal vitamin can help prepare your body for pregnancy and reduce the risk of birth defect. Reduce stress. Stress can affect your fertility, so it's important to take steps to reduce stress. Try practicing yoga, meditation, or other relaxation technique. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol can reduce your fertility and increase the risk of your birth defect. Avoid smoking and limit your alcohol intake. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your body hydrated and improve your fertility. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for your overall health and fertility. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Consult with your doctor. It is important to consult with your doctor before trying to conceive after myomectomy. They can advise you on any additional step you may need to take. Consider fertility treatment. If you have been trying to conceive for a while without success, you may want to consider fertility treatments such as IVF or IUI. Don't stress over it. Trying to conceive can be stressful, but don't let it take over your life. Remember to take breaks and do things you enjoy. Have patience. Getting pregnant may take longer after myomectomy, but don't lose hope. Keep trying and have patience. Getting pregnant after myomectomy may take longer than expected, but with the right guidance and approach, it is possible to conceive quickly and naturally. By following the tips and tricks we shared in this video, you can increase your chances of conceiving and have a healthy pregnancy. Remember to be patient and consult with your doctor if you have any concern. We hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, if you have any additional tips or tricks that help you conceive after myomectomy, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.